These are the best ways to combine perennials and annuals for a thriving, colorful spring garden. From long-lasting structure to instant bursts of color, the right mix can completely transform your garden. If you've ever struggled to keep your garden full and vibrant, understanding the difference between perennials and annuals is the key. This approach is perfect for beginners, small spaces, or anyone planning a spring garden. By the end, you'll know how to combine both types to create a balanced, low-maintenance space that looks beautiful all season long. Perennials are plants that return year after year, creating the backbone of your garden. They're ideal if you want something long-term because they grow stronger and fuller with each season. Over time, they help your garden feel more established and structured. Most perennials thrive in consistent sunlight and well-draining soil. Once they're established, they usually need less watering thanks to their deep root systems, which also makes them more drought-tolerant and easier to maintain. The best way to use perennials is to plant them first. Think of them as the foundation of your garden. Use them to define borders, create layers, and build a layout that will stay in place year after year. Annuals, on the other hand, complete their entire life cycle in just one season, but they bring instant beauty. They bloom continuously and fill your garden with vibrant color from spring through fall. They generally need bright light and consistent watering to keep producing flowers, but their biggest advantage is how quickly they grow and how much color they add in a short time. You can use annuals to fill in empty spaces between perennials or to refresh your garden's look every year. They're also perfect for containers, patios, or small areas that need a quick pop of color. Some of the best perennials to plant in spring include lavender for its fragrance, peonies for their large and elegant blooms, hostas for shaded areas, daylilies for their hardiness, and salvia for attracting bees and butterflies. These plants are known for being resilient and reliable. Many become drought-tolerant over time and require less effort once they're established, making them a smart, long-term investment. Just remember that perennials take time to grow into their full size. With a little patience, they'll reward you with a stronger, more beautiful garden every year. For instant color, annuals like petunias, marigolds, zinnias, impatiens, and cosmos are excellent choices. They're easy to grow and bring brightness and energy to any space. These flowers offer a variety of benefits, from heat tolerance to shade adaptability, depending on the type. With proper light and regular watering, they'll continue blooming throughout the entire season. Since annuals only last one season, you have the freedom to change your garden design every year. You can experiment with new colors, combinations, and styles without commitment. The most successful gardens don't choose between perennials and annuals. They combine both. This creates a layered look that feels full, balanced, and visually interesting. Perennials provide structure and stability, while annuals add color and flexibility. Together, they make your garden look alive and constantly evolving. A simple strategy is to plant your perennials first, then add annuals around them to fill gaps and enhance the overall design. This makes your garden easier to manage and more visually appealing. Before planting, take a little time to plan your layout and check your local frost dates. This helps ensure your plants get the best possible start. Prepare your soil with organic matter, give your plants enough space, and make sure there's good drainage. These small steps can make a big difference in how well your garden grows. After planting, water deeply and add mulch to help retain moisture and reduce weeds. This creates a healthy environment where both perennials and annuals can thrive together. By combining these two types of plants, you create a garden that offers both long-term growth and immediate beauty. Some plants will return year after year, while others keep your space fresh and colorful each season. For the full planting guide, detailed tips, and more ideas to build your dream garden, be sure to check the link below. Happy planting!